Nassau, and I want to show you the Paradise Island place. It's beautiful. This is the hotel, and there is aquarium up there, and a lot of water slide park. Expensive, but very good. Here, this is the marina near to the Atlantis Hotel. It's a nice place to go, and just beside you have the little village with the Starbucks cafes and the Wi-Fi. This one's core. It's nice. The Atlantis Hotel, and you can have a nice view. Atlantis Hotel, a little beach. And this is a restaurant, a nice place to eat and drink. Now, I want to show you Atlantis Park. A lot of water slides, pools. It's very fun. This is one of the slides with the sharks at Atlantis Hotel Aqua Park, Nassau. If you want to do snorkeling, it's the place in Atlantis. This is the river ride, river rapid, and it's fun and relaxed at the same time. This is the view from the pyramid where the tube slide are in Atlantis Hotel Park, Aquatic Park. As you can see, there is sharks. Here, this is the aquarium with stingray and shark. at Atlantis Hotel, Nassau, Bahamas. I am in the aquarium now. You can see it's impressive. Atlantis Hotel. This is the entrance, one of the entrance of Atlantis Hotel. To get here, you can take a local bus, and it costs $1.25, and you have to walk through the bridge to go to Paradise Island.